What's going on, guys? Here Nick with Rebel Coasters Events. In my previous video showed you the markers and what's going on, as well as prepping for 2026. Now I can show you on this fence where it shows where they started clearing the land behind Annie B's and Scoops, where Rio Grande used to be at a long time ago during the Six Flags era, and also Kentucky Kingdom. As well, you can see they digged up the land where Fearfall used to be at too as well. Another thing I wanted to point out too, guys, when you go to Lightning Run's queue, you can see this small fence right here where they're going to do construction as well to clear the land out, which is right above it. So I want to show you guys this too as well, how far that fence goes if you're going to ride Lightning Run or if you're going to ride Tin Lizzy's. Another thing too I wanted to show you guys is they started excavating the land too as well, where Professor John's and also Cyclist used to be at too as well, for getting ready for 2026. So I wanted to show you guys this area view of what's going on. So this is the old plot of land where Bounty used to be at, which is now formerly known as Nature's Bounty, which is in Discovery Meadow. But I wanted to show you guys this too as well. Also construction area over here too as well. So get ready to test your wings in 2026.